In this video, we are going to see how we can enable that option for all the existing and new videos. Then whenever you publish a new video, it should be notified to the subscribers automatically. So to make that setting, here's what you need to do. Let's click on the profile icon and head over to the YouTube Studio. So whatever is the video, we click on that. And from here, we need to scroll down, click on show more, and we need to be in this area that says published to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Make sure this option is enabled. And most of the times it will be available in the draft mode and not in the published mode. So if you want to change that setting, you might need to unpublish that first, and then you can change the settings, or otherwise for all the new videos, you will get this option here. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.